joining us, Holly Shields here for kalkinemedia. Most ASX-listed consumer-oriented companies rely on a pickup in the end-of-year holiday season trades, and that includes the gaming stocks. So let's have a look at 4 ASX-listed plays to get in on as the gift-giving time of year rolls around. First up is Aristocrat Leisure. This company is into development, assembly, sale, distribution and servicing of games and systems. A week back, Aristocrat made a cash offer to acquire London-listed leading global online gambling, software and content supplier, Playtech. The company is of the view that the acquisition will be boosting its growth strategy over the medium term and deliver sustainable shareholder value. Aristocrat expects its NPATA to increase by 81.1% year over year, and its shares have given a return of over 54% year to date. Next up is Tabcorp. Its shares have given a return of over 25% year to date. In the past 1 year, shares have surged over 48%. Tabcorp has been making headlines recently after announcing its intention to de-merge and create 2 ASX-listed entities, Lotteries and Kenoco, and Wagering and Gaming Co. Group revenue came in at 7% lower than the prior quarter on account of statewide venue closures due to COVID-19. Following that is PointsBet. Its shares have given a return of over 25% year to date, and in the past 1 year, they've surged over 48%. A corporate bookmaker, PointsBet has operations in Australia and the US, and they've developed a cloud-based wagering platform to offer clients sports and racing wagering products. In its first quarter trading update for 2022, PointsBet reported another solid quarter of growth driven by a fast-growing North American sports betting market. The company has ramped up its operations in Canada during the period under review and signed 2 long-term partnerships to offer its betting services. And last on our list is Vanek Vector's video gaming and esports ETF, which is in the field of video game development, hardware and esports. Activision Blizzard, Electronic Arts, Roblox and Take-Two are a few companies listed in the fund. The ETF has generated a return of over 12% per annum over the last 5 years and a return of over 6% in the last 6 months. Among its major holdings are graphics processing unit giant Nvidia and games developer Take-Two Interactive of GTA and Red Dead series. Electronic Arts, who are the makers of FIFA, Sims, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, makers Activision Blizzard and Roblox, the company behind the hugely popular Roblox global platform. And that concludes our list. Now you're up to speed, why not check out some of our other videos to stay up to date. This has been Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.